In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right AdBlock extension on Google Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So to get our extension, we need first to go to Google Chrome Web App Store. For that, just head over to your account and click on this three dots, and then head over to extensions and then choose visit Chrome Web Store. Now from here, you can search for any extension before you can install it. For our case, we want to install AdBlock. Go ahead and search by word under search extension and theme. So I just search AdBlock like that. As you can see, we have quite a number of AdBlock extensions that you might not know which one to install. To know the right one, you might want to see the usability. So go ahead and click on each. And this is the pioneer for this. So you can see it is from AdBlock niche. And at the time of recording this, it had over 61 million users. So go ahead and tap on it, and then to add it, just click on add to Chrome like that, and then tap on add extension. And now the extension will be downloaded and it will be added to your Chrome browser. Now, if you want to see all your extensions, you can go ahead and tap on this icon on top here and then choose manage extensions. Under this, you can see our AdBlock extension has been added, and you can see it has been installed here. So you can go ahead and choose your plan to start using this AdBlock extension. So that's how you can add the right AdBlock extension on your Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.